Hello everybody. Today we're going to go over how to use Echo 360 on our personal computer. We've already downloaded Echo 360 Personal Capture onto our personal laptop. It should be on your desktop or in your applications. I already have it pre-loaded on my bottom bar. So I'm just going to open it. It is a smaller window. It won't take up your full screen. And you can see that first when we open up Echo 360, we're going to log in. We're going to log in with our Coastal username and password, the same one we use for Moodle and for our Gmail. The nice thing about Echo 360 is that all CCU students can access it. It's not free. This university owns a license to it, so it's a privilege to use as a student. It's a nice tool. So now you can see that your username should be up there to show that you're an active user, and that actually allows you to publish it to the course pretty easily. So what we're going to do is we're going to just look at these options on the left. There's a drop-down menu for each one of these options. We're going to look at the microphone. We're going to use this microphone since it's our only option. It's our external microphone on the computer. Our display, primary display, we're always going to have primary display unless you want to just use your webcam and just record yourself. But normally people do not want to do that, and that's not the point of screen capture. Screen capture is you want to record the computer screen. But you could integrate a webcam while doing a screen capture, and we'll do this right now. You'll be able to see me speaking. And most people don't like to do this because they don't like their self-videotaped, but you can make it a more personal setting for students if you were to give them a small group instruction and involve a screen capture in that. It makes it more personal to integrate a webcam. But to just change that back to none selected, and then we're going to just screen capture our computer screen. We don't want to auto-publish it because if we auto-publish it, then we won't be able to edit the screen capture after we record it. So now what we're simply going to do is we're also going to leave it as a medium file and better quality up here. There's a drop-down menu for some others, but for this project, we're going to leave it just medium files. So we're going to start recording. You're going to want to have your loaded applications, if you are going to use them, preloaded application windows, already set up so it makes it seamless and smooth for your screen capture. So all we're going to do is hit record. It's going to count down 3, 2, 1, and it's going to go away. And right now we're recording. The actual screen, and your voice will be in the background. So if you have an example would be to have how to start a new project in PowerPoint. You'll open up PowerPoint. We've already downloaded it, had it loaded in our pre-application window. And here's how we start a blank presentation. Double click, and then you can go on and give your instructions about how to do this process. And once you are done, you will open Echo 360 back up. You will stop your recording. Each recording must be 15 seconds long. Make sure you preview your content before you started your recording, saying, today we will learn about how to open up a PowerPoint presentation. That is one best practice that you guys can include in your paragraph. Another nice thing about Echo 360 is that we can edit it right here. So by pressing that pencil, we can edit our screen capture. These two, if we drag the white clips, they will trim the middle, anything in the middle of our screen capture. If there's a loud noise that disrupts our screen capture, or we fumble over a few words, we can edit and trim that out by just locating, after we listen through a couple times, locating the time interval that we want to trim out. You can also trim the beginning part of your clip or the end part of your clip by clicking and dragging these gray tabs at the end. What I like to do is, so we don't see ourselves ending, we don't screen capture ourselves ending the clip. You can see here, we pulled Echo 360 back up to stop our recording. I like to edit that out. So I'll finish my presentation, and then I will stop our recording. I'm just going to edit the last part out. I'm going to apply the edits. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to do that? Yes. So now if we go back in, edit again, we can see that the end of our clip has been trimmed. We're going to cancel and go home. So now it's so simple to do this. We don't have to worry about exporting it as an MP4 file. All we're going to do is publish it with this check mark. We're going to title it. We're just going to title this Trial Number 1. And you're going to keep it, your course is already right here. It's the drop-down menu, but you'll be registered for this course. And your display only, we're going to keep it display only. And we're going to mark make available. And then we're going to upload. It's going to upload it straight to that course. It tells you it was published to that course, what time it was recorded, how long. Remember, it has to be 15 seconds for this project. It does have to be between 1 minute and 3 minutes. What I'm also going to ask you to do, is because this is the first time we've used Echo 360 for submission, is just to come up here to the settings, click test connection, a check mark will show up, and we're just going to copy and paste this URL, right-clicking, copy, and then we are going to go paste it into the Moodle submission area for this project. You're actually going to copy and paste it into the comments area, and you're going to submit your paragraph into the submissions area. So just copy and paste this into the comments area on the Moodle submission area for this project. So then we're going to click done. Now all we have to do, if you'd like to delete multiple takes, you can delete it using this X. And that is how you use Echo 360 personal capture. We can then close out of all our windows, and it should be a seamless screen capture that is very professional, and I hope you enjoyed this video.